Let's walk through an example of automating a business task. We're going to be using ChatGPT to help write a Python script that will automatically go through this CSV file, partition this data set by client, and save a CSV file for each individual client. Okay, so first things first, we hop into ChatGPT. From here, we enter our prompt. So in this example, I said I need a Python script to separate a CSV file into multiple new files. The first column of the data table in sheet 1 has column A, client. I want the script to filter the table range into each unique client and save as a new CSV with a prefix of that client value as the name of the new CSV. Alright, so as you can see, it spits out this code. I went back and forth with it a little bit. I said add a variable to enter the file path for the CSV. Said I want to hard code that. And I mean, you're going to have to go back and forth with this. It's not going to spit out a perfect script for you every time. And as you can see at the end, I have this piece of code. So then what I do from here is I'm just copying this code and I'm going into VS Code and plopping it in here. So once I pasted this file in, the only thing I'm really doing is I'm just changing my file path that I'm pointing to say, alright, this is the data I want to separate. So I'm simply just going into my file explorer, going into that directory where that file is saved, and you can just grab the file path and then end it off with the file name .csv. And then as you can see below that, I have the output directory. So I'm saying, alright, once it splits through these different client codes, save the output files into this directory. You can see below I have my file directory. Above I have VS Code, that Python script. So from here I'll just execute this. And once I do a refresh within my directory, as you can see, it splits out the files. So if I go into one of these, you can see here's the original data. There was the 3 rows for client 1, and then with the new data file for client 1, I have just those 3 rows. You can obviously see as well, it puts in the client value as a prefix for that data file. So as you can see, this is kind of trying to show you an example of how you can use ChatGPT to help automate some business tasks. Hope you find this useful. Thanks for watching.